Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I would like to share with you this beautiful piece that I bought at my favorite thrift store a while back in great condition. There is nothing chipped, nothing broken, and I paid just $1 for it. $1. That is it. So I am going to be using this in upcoming creations, and I wanted you to see it up close first. Now I have a creation in mind, and it's going to be a beach creation. So you'll see this again. So I'll be bringing more pieces that you can see up close before the creations come along. So I hope that you stay tuned for them, and thank you so much for watching.